Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to put mid-length hair in a claw clip. This timeless technique is perfect for a quick and elegant updo, suitable for any occasion. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring you can achieve a secure and stylish look with ease. Get ready to transform your everyday hairstyle into something effortlessly chic and comfortable. Let's dive in and master this simple, yet effective method together. To begin, make sure your mid-length hair is completely brushed through, free from any knots or tangles. This ensures a smooth foundation for your style. Next, gather all your hair as if you were creating a low or mid-level ponytail at the back of your head. Keep it neat and tight against your scalp. A good brush through and a clean gather are key to a polished finish. Now, with your gathered hair, begin to twist it upwards, creating a neat vertical coil that rests against the back of your head. Continue twisting until the entire length of your hair is coiled tightly. Once twisted, open your claw clip wide. Carefully place the clip over the twisted hair, securing it firmly against your scalp. Make sure it feels snug and holds all your hair. For the perfect finishing touch, gently pull out a few small strands of hair around your face. This softens the look and frames your features beautifully. Take a moment to ensure the claw clip feels comfortable and secure, holding your hair firmly without any pulling. This simple yet elegant method offers a versatile and chic hairstyle that you can wear confidently all day long, no matter the occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.